Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok too many items on an iPhone and an Android phone. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, go back to the home screen and then open up Settings app. And then scroll down, tap on App Manager and then App Settings and then search for TikTok. And then tap on clear cache and storage. Tap on clear cache and clear storage and then tap on notifications, turn off and then tap on force stop and then tap on OK and go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem didn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is open up Play Store and App Store, search for TikTok. As you can see guys, it's showing me the update. You have showing update and update the TikTok app and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem didn't fix, go for the next one and then uninstall the TikTok app and then again install. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, let me in the comment. I help you more. Thanks for watching.